What's going on, everybody? This is me when I shave my beard. Now I look younger, but it's just how it is. No, I'm just playing. This is his son. Today, I stole my dad's camera, and I'm working on my 92 K2500. I am fully restoring it. And we are doing another CV axle. I've broken 3 in this truck now, but we got some axle spacers we're gonna put in it. Not really used to cameras and technology, so bear with me. I'm gonna start off, I already took everything out so I could take the old axle back and get this new one. But instead of taking the ball joints and everything off, I decided to take this shock off. And it'll make it so I can slide the axle down through there. So we'll get on it. Sweet, now that we got the shock out of the way, I'm gonna put the axle up and see if she fits or not. It's definitely gonna need the spacers in it. As you guys can see, I got it set in there. And this truck has a 6-inch lift on it. So it makes the distance from here to there too short or too long for the axle, so the axle's too short for it. So there's a spacer that goes in between here and here. So it should lengthen it up a little bit. So I bought this Tough Country wheel spacers. And it's got 2 1/4-inch wheel spacers that go on this side and then 2 that are supposed to go on the other side. Okay, now that I finally got those in, I just snugged them all down. I'll tighten them back up when we get the tire down on the ground, or else it'll just spin. So now we gotta assemble all of this. Okay. So on the back of this, there's just 4 bolts that hold this whole disc on. And it's easier to get these on and then tighten this axle nut right here. I don't know if it's easier or not, that's just how I like to do it. Okay, now that I got the disc back on, now I need to get this centered in there so we don't break anything. So this is actually a 36 millimeter. And it doesn't look that big. But with this, you just kind of want to tighten it slow. Make it sure it sets in there really nice. So it looks like I got that in there and tight. I'll tighten it more when I get it on the ground. So I actually twisted the brake line sometime when I took this off. So you have to make sure that the brake line's not twisted. This is actually the second time I've done that with this axle.